So hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Laravel in our computer, and I will also be covering how MVC architecture works, and I will also show you how to create a route controller and a blade template. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to open our command prompt, but before that we need to make sure that we've already installed Composer in our computer, because this one is important thing for us to be able to install our Laravel. So this is the link that we need to press. So after installing, yeah, you can check it here if it was installed properly. So this is the command prompt that we need to use to check if our composer is working and properly installed. So these are the versions that I have. So as you can see, I've already installed it properly. So let me open my desktop so that everything that I make will be directed there. So after making sure that we've downloaded Composer properly and installed it, we only need to enter this command. And you need on this part you can use any name that you want to use for your um, whatever folder that you want to use um, for your files, Laravel files, to be uploaded. So this installation will take some time. So yeah, as you can see, it's already installing. But while waiting, let me show you um, this one. So this is our MVC architecture pattern. So let's dive into MVC, which stands for Model View Controller. This this architectural pattern divides your application into three core components that work together seamlessly. So as for model, this component manages the data and business rules. In Laravel, models interact directly with the database to perform tasks like fetching and saving data. So as for the view, it is responsible for the user interface and the presentation of whatever it was coded in there. So it also renders HTML and showcases the data provided by the model to the end user, just like what I've said a while ago. So as for the controller, this is the controls and decides how the data is displayed. Controller is serving bridge between model and the view. The controller handles incoming requests. It processes this request, updates the models as needed, and then select the appropriate view to display the result. So this is the another example that I have. So as you can see, our controller here is the bridge, which allows us to be able to interact with this. So our model can adjust or fix, update whatever it is inside our view, which is our web app and browser. So as for the view, it enables us to see whatever it was posted by our model or our server database. So let's check if so it's already installed. So as for the next step that we need to do is that we need to open our project project Laravel. And then let's put this command. After that, it will show you the link which we can use to open our Laravel after successfully installing it. So let's go to Google and just paste this. So As you can see, we've already successfully installed our Laravel. So after successfully installing our Laravel, we can open this folder, which here all the files that are important to our Laravel are contained here that are pre-installed. So we can drag this one inside our Visual Studio Code so that we can now start making our route and our controllers and our blade template. So this one, I pre-typed this one since this one is important, so for us to be able to call later on the view that we have. So let's start making our code. Let's make a new route and then get hello. No, let's use example. Get example, and then let's use this one, hello controller, which what we used it there at the fourth line, class, and then index. So don't forget your closing tag, which is the most important thing. And then after this, so this one will be this one contains our view, which will be used to call later on for us to be able to display our display later on the code that we will do later on in our view. So now let's make a controller which will handle that one. So let's type this one, PHP artisan make controller for our hello controller. Created successfully. So you can see it here. So that's our controller. So inside that one, we can we need to wait. We need to make a put a code here, which will be public function index return view return view for our example. So this one handles the controller that we will be putting on later on for our view, which will be put here, inserted here. So now let's make the terminal for it so that we can continue on now. Let's make a new terminal. So let's make PHP artisan make view example. Now there, it's final here. So in this code, in this example blade, which is our template now, we will be putting our code here. So let's put our HTML and then our H1, and then let's display hello Lara. Let's save this one, and then for us to be able to open all of these things, we need to type this command prompt that we need to that will generate the link later on for us to be able to open it. So PHP artisan serve. So this is the code now that is given to us here. So, and then let's just type example, which contains all of these things. So first we will open this one, which it is indexed here. So this example, this is handled by our controller here. So this will be the controller now, which when we press this one, we will be able to see our hello controller. So let's check it now. And there. So as you can see now, we've been able to successfully display our hello Lara. But before everything else, you need to type this one, which handles our controller, to be able to view our example here. So that's all. And thank you.